Connie Talbot is an English singer. She was born to her mother Sharon and her father Gavin, a self-employed property maintenance engineer, her older brother Josh and her older sister Molly. On 27 January 2020, she competed on America's Got Talent, The Champions, where she performed her romantic original song I Would on the piano. In 2007, she was the runner-up of the first series of Britain's Got Talent. On 31st August 2019, Talbot took part in Britain's Got Talent, The Champions, with an original composition, Never Give Up on Us. The song was released the same day. By the following day, the song had reached number 8 on the UK iTunes chart. She earned Simon Cowell's praise during her first tryout. Her album Over the Rainbow sold more than 250,000 copies. Years have flown by, and the wonder child has grown into a teen pop artist with an international following. In April 2019, she collaborated with Voice Avenue, covering the Jonas Brothers song Sakhar. On 11 May 2017, Connie Talbot released a song called Good to Me, which she stated is about a person who I admired, respected and who taught me so much. On 13 October 2017, Connie released a video for the song Rumors. On 19 February 2016, the release of digital single Shut Up, Move On was announced. The single is taken from Talbot's studio album Matters to Me, a 13-track album with a bonus track available only on iTunes. The album was released on 25 March 2016. In 2012, Connie recorded her first pop single in Los Angeles. The song Sail Away peaked at number 1 on CD Baby's pop single chart. Her fourth album, Beautiful World, was released in the same year and was a big hit in Taiwan and China. On 17 November 2014, Talbot released the 5-song EP Gravity, containing the original song Gravity and Inner Beauty, with the latter also appearing as an instrumental acoustic version. In 2014, she performed 2 concerts in South Korea in late April, shortly after the Seoul ferry tragedy. She performed with yellow ribbons to show her respect for the families of the victims. The proceeds from at least one of the concerts were donated to the fundraising efforts in support of the families of the victims. She was the youngest artist to make the UK album charts and the youngest to release a gold-selling record. In April 2009, Talbot again travelled to the US to publicize her new single, a cover of I Will Always Love You. The single was released in the US on 7 April along with a newly recorded You Raise Me Up. Talbot's third album, Connie Talbot's Holiday Magic, was released on 20 October 2009 in the United States and on 30 November 2009 in the United Kingdom. The United States album is dedicated to the Toys for Tots campaign, of which Talbot has been named the child ambassador.